Kenny, look. Bro, quit acting like you can fish better than me when you can't. We both know it. I've posted way more fish on Snapchat. Back in action, catching fish in Florida. Florida, right, Kenny?
Yes, sir.
I've caught the most fish so far, just letting y'all know. Kenny, 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 Kenny. Down like halfway throttle, here's full throttle. All the way maxed out. He did it, y'all. He caught another one.
2-0. Where's Austin at, son?
Where we at? All right. Get him in here, boy. Got him a little bass on a mirror lure. What we out here doing, Kenny?
We out here catching fish and ripping lips.
Ripping lips. Out here fishing with Kenny. Your drag's just loose.
Oh, it's a big bass, bro.
Is it a big bass?
It's a big bass, bro.
Just fight him, dude.
That's a big bass.
Just fight him. Just fight him. Keep your line tight.
Bass, Austin. That's a
Keep
big
your line
bass,
tight,
bro.
dude.
Oh my God. Get the motor, bro. Don't get your motor. Lift the motor.
It's up. Don't worry. Just hold on to him.
Austin.
Don't let him jump now. Oh, you got a net? No, you ain't got no net. Grab him with your hands. You got him hooked good. Just don't let him jump again. There you go. Get him. Put your hand in there. How do you like that? At least 5 pounds right there.
Oh. Oh my God, dude.
Okay, you might be better than me today. There you go. Is he swimming off? There he goes. Good job.